Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2018 Volvo XC90 T6 Momentum in luminous sand with a blonde leather interior. This all-wheel drive SUV has under 21,000 miles on it. The road ahead of you will be well lit thanks to those super cool Thor's Hammer full LED active bending headlights. This has blind spot information system and an active lane keeping aid. That means that if you're driving and you go to pull into a lane that is already occupied, the XC90 will nudge you back into your spot, avoiding an accident. This also has pilot assist with adaptive cruise control, and that's that semi-autonomous drive mode. Super cool 21-inch wheels, keyless entry, hands-free power liftgate. It also has the integrated roof rails up top. T6 means that this is a 4-cylinder turbo and supercharged engine, and you'll get 316 horsepower from that. You could also hook this up with a tow hitch, and tow a small boat. Get your summer on. This is a 7-seat SUV. I have the third row folded down flat so you can see how much space there is. And this one has the grocery divider. It's pretty cool. Put that up. Grocery bag, you can hang those right on these hooks here. If you'd like to further accessorize this, we sell mats that cover the entire back area, and you could also put a dog gate in the back. They hook in nicely to these slots right here. You could even go full dog palace, and there are the same hooks in the passenger side right in front of those handles on the ceiling. Giant panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade. This has the climate package, so you get a heated leather wrapped steering wheel, heated front seats, heated back seats. This one has a booster seat. So the side seats will be heated, but the booster seat is not heated. This is a 4-way climate control situation, and your seat controls, the heat controls are right there. There's power in the back for your passengers too. Memory seating for 3. Your ignition switch is here. You can select your drive modes with a scroll of the bar there, and with your foot firmly on the brake. You can see all of your safety features listed upon startup. Your main screen, you can notice that it's ever so slightly tilted towards the driver. That's everything in here is organized to keep your eyes on the road and you driving safely to your next destination. Your seat controls, your seat and steering wheel heat controls there. Your climate control is all right here. Just touch where you'd like the heat or cool to go. You can use this scroll bar, synchronize with your passenger. Navigation here, easy to use. If you drop this down, you can see the settings, and this is just a treasure trove of everything you could possibly want in a car, and even things you might not even know you want. And this is where you'll be able to check out that lane keeping aid. So some people don't like the warning or the assist, And so you could just say, you know, I want only one or the other. You could keep it at both, whatever, you know, makes your driving experience the best. There's so many things to learn about these cars, and if you're into it, this one is stock number 6169A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.